Here's a quick and easy way to put your order through our website. Connect to your profile using your email address and password. Click on the quick order icon on the right-hand side, which is the shopping cart. Enter your 7-digit item numbers as well as the quantity desired. Then add to cart. Your items will show up with the description, quantity, and price right below. You can add as many items as you wish. When your order is ready and complete, just press continue. You must enter a PO number or the recipient's name. Make sure the delivery address is correct. In the additional information box, you may write any changes you would like. Press continue to confirm your order. As you press confirm, we will receive your order and process it. You will also receive an order confirmation number with the details by email.